Hey, today on Cars and Coding, I'm going to install some door puddle lights. What happened is, my wife went shopping with her friend for her cars and went to the Audi dealership. And she's looking at all the new Audis. And you open the door, and then there's a light that shines down with 4 rings, or maybe it says Audi underneath. And she calls me up and she's like, "Hey, look at this. This is really cool. I love this. I want this car." And I'm like, "Oh, you do? Well, let me tell you what. I can put those on our car. And then we can save $50,000. How about that?" So, I got this 3D, it says 3D shadow light. That's what they call it instead of puddle light. From AliExpress for, I don't know how much I paid. Let's say less than $20 for sure for 4 of these lights. And we'll just pop them in and check it out. So this is what it looks like. It has like the projector bulb right there, and yeah, that's it. That is the whole thing compared to the original. That's it. So let's pop open the door. Oh, got lots of stuff in here. Alright, good enough. Get rid of that one. So right here is the light. First thing, I'm going to pop this out. And we're going to detach that. Like that. Now, get one of the new ones. So we're just going to try one. There it is. What does it look like? Oh, stick it up in there. Alright. It's a little faint in the daytime. Let's turn the lights off. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. Saving us $50,000, baby. Very nice. So I will have the link to where to buy these in the video description. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Hope you can hear me a little bit better. I'm wearing these $8 AirPod knockoffs for the microphone instead of just using the camera microphone. We'll see if that works better. And hey, you know what? I'll put a link in the video description on these babies too. For $8, you can't go wrong. You're listening to it right now. Okay, if you like this video, please click the like button, hit the subscribe button, put in a comment if you didn't like it, and you say, "Hey, everybody does these stupid videos for these little lights." You know what? You can subscribe too, because we're all good. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.